Unlock a hassle-free way to get your international money right into your Bkash wallet. First things first, open your Xoom app or website and log into your account. Make sure you have sufficient funds in your linked PayPal or bank account that Xoom will use for this transfer. Once logged in, tap on the Send Money or Transfer option. You'll then need to select your destination country and the amount you wish to send to Bangladesh. Here's the crucial step for the payout method. You'll see an option for Mobile Wallet. Select this, and then choose Bkash from the list of available mobile money providers. Next, you'll be asked to enter the Bkash account details of the person receiving the money. This includes the recipient's full name and their Bkash mobile number. Double-check these details carefully before proceeding. Review the transaction summary. Xoom will clearly display the amount being sent, any applicable fees, and the estimated time for the money to reach the Bkash account. If everything looks correct, confirm the transfer. And that's it. The funds will be sent from your Xoom account and should appear in the designated Bkash wallet shortly. You'll typically receive a confirmation SMS from both Xoom and Bkash. This process makes it incredibly convenient to receive money from abroad directly to your mobile. Perfect for supporting family or managing your finances seamlessly in Bangladesh. Enjoy your international funds in your Bkash wallet.